Travon Smith, real estate agent. I just made these. I found out that they sell real crab meat in a jar in the frozen section. Not imitation, real crab meat. I just made these crab cakes. Let me see. These crab cakes in the air fryer. Fire. Okay. Ooh, it's hot. I just made them. Highly unprofessional. That's what we do. Be ourselves. So, September the 1st, I had a credit card bill that was due, and I forgot about it. It's $40 payment, but I just got caught up because I got a VA closing this month. I got a listing and some other things going on. So the first kind of, I want my face oily. The first kind of snuck by me and I paid it on the 3rd. The second was the cutoff day. So with that being said is I get a late where they report it to the bureau. The bureaus, all 3 bureaus or whatever bureaus they reported to, plus I get a late fee. So I submitted a statement saying, I apologize. I was blah, blah, blah. I think I said I was sick or something, COVID, just lying, because I can't afford to get a late right now. And that's the last thing I need because I'm in the middle of trying to get another property. Knock on wood. Not knock on wood, but, it's kind of difficult under the situation because I'm already currently a homeowner. So I'm just trying to work some details out with a loan that goes my way. So therefore, I can't do no lates. So I submitted a request to the credit card company and they sent me back a letter for something. I forgot what day it was, but they denied it. So I was like pissed off, blood pressure high all day. I was pissed off. I'm furious. So let me go share my screen. So if you ever get late fees, you can always go to these people right here. Share my screen. Of course, I got the Zoom up. I want to go over here. CF